Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful two-owner, no reported accident, Carfax certified 2017 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This is fully loaded. This is top-level trim. This is as good as it gets. Very, very nice. Powered by the 6.2 V8 engine paired with an 8-speed transmission. This thing gets awesome fuel economy for its size, and it comes with automatic LED front headlights, fog lights. Everything's good mechanically, up to date, ready to go. Comes with front and rear park assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, newer front tires, beautiful large wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power running boards. Everything's working. Everything's really, really nice. Comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, liftgate, and then it also has the original owner's manual, nice clean dashboard, wood grain trim, touchscreen stereo with navigation, backup camera, ice cold AC front and rear, and then we get dual heated and ventilated front seats. We get cup holders, USB connectivity, wireless charging, and perforated leather up here, Denali logos in the headrests, our sunroof up there. And then Bose sound system, tri-coat white pearl paint on the outside, HDMI connections for the DVD screens with USB, dual heated rear captain chair seats, as well as auxiliary ports, plug-in house ports, and car charging ports. As you can see, the screens are working. Can play Blu-ray, wireless devices, and then they even have the LED lights built into them as well. Dual screens, back one's working as well too, and then rear AC. Also has the third row seating, all good there. Leather looks good. Just some leather wear on all four of the front and rear seats, but that's to be expected from the perforated leather. Mileage, so everything is equipped, ready to go. Comes with power folding rear seats as well, so both of these seats fold down here, and then with the touch of these two buttons you can also fold down the other two seats as well too, so everything's working there. And we have the power liftgate option as well, and matching rear tires. And we get dual memory seat functions, all four automatic windows, and then we get power folding side view mirrors. Both are working, as you can see there. And then just the wear here on the driver's seat, a little more on the bolster, but it comes with a heads-up display, trailer braking, power pedals, lane keep assist, park assist, and then our interval front and rear wipers. We also get front collision braking and warning for adaptive cruise, and then you got heated steering wheel, voice command, Bluetooth, and then your volume and stereo controls are mounted behind the steering wheel in each side of the steering. So 140,000 original two-owner miles. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, steering's like butter, very nice, very clean steering. And then that's the rear backup camera. Bose sound system sounds excellent, and then our pocket storage here, the hidden compartment with the USB port in there, so that functions well too. OnStar system, auto dimming rear view mirror, also has LED front map lighting, and then the rear glass, and then you can also tilt slide, and then you can change the settings of the lift gate for going up 3/4 or full max, so you can play with those settings as well if need be. Comes with dual vanity mirrors with the LED lights that brighten up as it stays open longer. So all the features, all the fun stuff, everything's there. No warning lights on the dash, 2 previous owners, no accident history, fully loaded, Denali trim, large XL, third row seating, pearl tri-coat color, remote start, keyless smart entry, push to start. It has it all. This is the ultimate vehicle, and you get pretty much 20 miles per gallon on that 8-speed transmission. What more could you want? It can tow the house, it can tow a boat, it can tow a camper, it can haul 8 people, whatever you need it to do. This is your ultimate travel, work, family, fun towing vehicle. It can do it all. So look no further than this beautiful 2017 GMC Yukon XL Denali that you can find exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.